If you are not yet awakened to your spirituality, to the truth that you are not a mere human being, but rather energy from a powerful source, you are not yet truly living. You are still deeply asleep, not really knowing how to properly navigate this human journey. You are simply reacting to situations. Your body is just moving according to the memories your energy carries. You are merely managing the situation you are currently in. You are only living according to the set ways or habits your energy has. But when you awaken to what you truly are, that you are energy, that you are transmutable, that you have the ability to move matter, that you can transfer and absorb energy, that you can bring thoughts or energy into reality, that your true being is that you are an invisible force which cannot be destroyed. You will be empowered to create an abundant human experience. You will manifest the heavenly life on earth that you are meant to have. Remember that you are energy and truly live your heavenly human experience. And what will help you remember that you are energy? Your source is energy. Your source is also what you are.